Welcome to Enchanted Tarot. This is for the sign of Virgo. Now, it is a general reading. That being said, it may or it may not resonate with you. Also, I'm reading for November, but you could be feeling these energies whenever you view this video. Let's begin with our current situation. It seems like something shocking either has come out or is about to with the eel. This is something that is unexpected, that lurks in the shadow. So it's something that you wouldn't have seen until it was too late, you know. It affects a relationship because the relationship before was like this, and once the eel comes out, it is like this, okay, where you're not understanding, you're studying the coin, something they were hiding has come out. You may be questioning that person's intentions. Whatever this is, it shocks you. It could be also that there's a realization that from this relationship or this person that you didn't get or will not get what you wanted. It's like the vision that you had for that relationship is shifting or changing because of this news. And now you're very focused. You see, she holds that coin. She's studying it. She's in shock. And so here also she's very focused on the coin, on the relationship, on this obstacle now that is between them in the Four of Coins. And it's heavily on her mind. As you can see, the coin just sinks into this person's head here as they stare at that mountain. And this is about a decision on a relationship. And so the problem here is like I feel that the problem was somebody could have given in to a temptation with the apple, because the apple is a temptation. It is and can speak to a love affair, and it does come with the Five of Coins. So it is very possible that you discover or you find out that somebody cheated, okay, or were not faithful to you. So I feel like it's either it's you're not talking and you've already went your separate ways, or you are thinking of ending this. Like this could have been with the Ten of Pentacles. You could have been married to this person. The problem is that you might still have hope, or that somebody, maybe the other person, gives you hope. There's some new information having to do with that situation of the eel that comes in after. Okay, it follows it. And it will make you, if you were thinking of leaving, you will take a second look. You will take a second look. And you will be remembering something, or recalling something that might actually, it could be that information that brings hope, that maybe you can bring this relationship back to life. Yeah, because see, here she is also looking back at this camera. So um, she's looking back at memories. She is receiving a new offer. So whoever caused this, or whoever took the temptation, now comes back around with a new offer and may express something to you. I feel like sec. Going forward, okay, and because there is a decision that you're going to have to make. Going forward, you will have to consider specific things, Spirit is saying, and one of them speaks to the Knight of Wands. So you will be considering, because ultimately it's about a decision, to stay and work on it, to offer forgiveness, or to walk away from it. The Knight of Wands is that player energy, and he's a terrible flirt, but he is just so charming and persuasive. Like he can make you believe anything, especially that the devil is here. And you are longing for this person. So all of these things will be coming into consideration. You may be willing to look past something because of your longing and your attachment for this person. So you will be weighing things up, taking many different things into consideration before you. It's like you've turned your back on that axe. You don't want to cut this person out. I feel even though you might know that they are not good for you, it's almost like you are willing to look past that because you are just so attracted to this person, and they are very believable when they tell you things or make you promises. You want to believe them. And you will be getting a new promise from this person, okay? And so this is where you are going to need to weigh things up and make a decision. I feel like you will be very tempted to give in. Give in to, it's like that temptation, that feeling. Up here we have the wolf. Now that could be you watching them, but the wolf is selective. So you could have been or could be questioning their intentions. You have the soul card here, which is about your inner world, going within, seeking answers, seeking information. So you might be kind of watching them seeking information, or they are doing this to you, seeking information from you. It feels like it's possible this person has done this before. And we have the fantasy card and the story card. So it could be that you especially with that Four of Cups over here, together, escaping the reality of the situation to the fantasy of belonging, of having this person in your life, of them, loving you. The story. So you're wondering, is this just an illusion? And with the devil here, I'd have to say is a strong possibility that they are giving you a story, because that's what that can indicate. Somebody giving you a story, and there would be a need here to listen very carefully. And not just with your heart, because you're really caught up in this. You must also listen with the mind and apply logic and reason, okay? Because ultimately you do have a decision to make. One that will require great strength and courage. It is a challenge. The Three of Swords. So Three of Swords is about a healing. It is the positive side of this card. So forgiveness, reconciliation, recovering from heartbreak, even recovering from the brink of an ending, something that you may have thought was lost, and you're able to recover it and bring it back. The Nine of Wands is on this, so you might be very tired, you might be wounded, and you most certainly are. You are facing a challenge here. It feels like you're not yet ready to give up or walk away from this relationship. You're still hoping to be able to transform it with the butterfly. The flowers speak to a possibility of an invitation. Okay, it is also speaking to a relationship that would need to be handled with care. Okay, because it does have thorns and it is very fragile. The relationship may possibly be fragile because of the eel, because of this shocking event, or it is a relationship that has been fragile on again, off again. Okay. So one must remember in this case that this rose does come with its thorns. You sometimes wonder if this person cares, and you wish that things were different. Well, you're about to receive more information. You're about to find something out here. There will be indeed an invitation to dinner, wine, possibly. A romantic evening is what it looks like. You may, in fact, be discussing something very deep, very emotional here at this meeting. They will tell you, I feel, what you want to hear, because the devil's in the upright. And we have these two pages here, which makes sense with this next statement, because it's like a confession, something that they will tell you, that, they were immature about a lot of things that they never wanted to face. The day they met you, it turned their life upside down and inside out. So they seem to be somewhat confused. I feel that although this may not be a healthy relationship for you, that this person does indeed actually have some feelings for you. It may not be what you desire, but they do care. So because that answers this question, I sometimes wonder if you care. They do care. It's just that it doesn't seem to be a healthy relationship. But I feel like you may not yet be ready to walk away from it. Anyway, you do have a new offer. There will be an invitation. Yes, you see, there is information that you don't have. You only have a little, from what I understand here. You only have a little information. There's a lot more you don't know about this person that is yet to come. I thank you for watching, for liking, and for sharing my videos. Also, you know what? I forgot to read the triggers. I am going to read them. I didn't sign out yet. Here. I drew 3. So this is something also that needs to be looked into or addressed. When change needs to happen, I begin to procrastinate. When I feel unworthy, I go into hermit mode with no explanation to others. Now, I mean, that could be you, but that I almost feel like, I know the devil doesn't have a conscience, but when it comes to you, I do feel like this person does have a conscience. That's what I'm picking up. I can be quick-tempered and say hurtful things without understanding why. So these are triggers that will need to be addressed going forward. There's more information to come. I don't feel you're walking away from this relationship yet, so you're about to learn a lot more. And, you know, that could come out in future readings. So now I'm done. All right. Thank you for watching, for liking, and for sharing my videos, and for subscribing. Also, thank you to everyone who has sent in a donation. It is greatly appreciated. Many blessings.